The OnePlus Watch 4 is finally here, and honestly, this feels like OnePlus refining what already worked. Let's unbox it and see if it's actually worth your money. Inside the box, you get the watch itself, the magnetic charging dock, and the usual paperwork. First impressions? This thing feels premium. The titanium alloy body is super lightweight at just 43 grams, but still feels solid and durable. And that sapphire crystal display definitely gives flagship vibes. The 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display looks amazing, super sharp, crazy bright at 3000 nits, and smooth thanks to that adaptive refresh rate. Performance is fast too, thanks to the Snapdragon W5 chip paired with OnePlus's hybrid system. Apps open quickly, Wear OS 6 feels polished, and navigation is buttery smooth. You're also getting ECG, heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, dual-band GPS, and over 100 workout modes. Basically everything most people need. And battery life? Easily one of its biggest wins. Up to 5 days in smart mode, or a crazy 16 days in power-saving mode. The only real downside? No eSIM support. But if that's not a deal-breaker, the OnePlus Watch 4 is easily one of the best Android smartwatches you can buy right now.